Good morning student. Now today we are going to write letter Q in English IMAX book. Now open the book. In previous video we learned and wrote letter P. Now today we are going to learn and write letter Q. Page number 3030. Letter capital Q and small q. Capital Q, small q. Say quack as in queen. Quack like a duck. Quack, quack, quack. Quack like a duck. Quack, quack, quack. The sound of Q is quack. Q, quack, queen. Q, quack, quill. Q, quack, quill. Capital Q, small q. Okay, so this is capital Q. We will trace first. Start from pink line. Come to second number, blue line. Again go up and come to pink line on the top and join them. So this is capital O like this, and in between two blue line we have to trace slanting line to second number blue line. Okay, so this is capital Q. Capital Q. Slowly you have to trace. In three line you have to write down now capital Q. Capital Q. Sound of Q is Q. Sound of Q is Q. Write down very properly, neatly. Q. Capital Q. Now we will trace small q. First we have to trace left curve, then trace standing line from first blue line to bottom pink line. Again draw slanting line bottom to second number blue line. Okay, so this is small q. Small q. Sound of q is Q. Sound of q is Q. Q, Q, quill. Q, Q, queen. Q, Q, quill. Okay, now this is quilt. Q, U. Okay, so here we will write down capital Q. Q, U, I, L, T. Quilt. This is quilt. Quilt means rajai. This is quill. Okay, now write down here small q. Q, U, I, double L. Quill. Okay, student. Now we will write down in 4-line notebook letter capital and small letter Q. Okay. Now open the notebook. Book capital Q. To learn and write letter Q. Okay. So write down here. Write capital and small letter Q. And in corner you have to write down today's date. Now we will start writing letter Q. Okay. First we will write down capital Q. Then write down small q. Okay. First you have to write down O letter, capital O letter. Okay. And in between blue line you have to write down slanting line. So this is capital Q. Okay. Now small q, how you will write? First you have to write down in between two blue line left curve, then join, make standing line. Okay, bottom, make standing line, and left slanting line you have to write down pink line to second number blue line. Okay, so this is small q and this is capital Q. Small q, capital Q. Write down slowly properly. Okay, capital Q, small q. Sound of q is Q. Sound of q is Q. Q, Q, queen. Q, Q, Q. Q, Q, white. Q, Q, squirrel. Capital Q, small q. Capital Q, small q. Sound of q is Q. Sound of q is Q. Okay. Again, capital Q, small q, capital Q, small q. Write down O, then in between two blue line, draw right slanting line. So this is capital Q. Now small q, write down left curve in between two blue line, then standing line from first blue line to bottom pink line. This is standing line, and then write down left slanting line, pink line to second number blue line. So this is small q, capital Q, small q. Sound of q is Q. Sound of q is Q. Q for queen, Q for otter, Q for squirrel, Q for quilt, Q for queen, capital Q, small q, capital Q, small q. Write down very properly. Okay, student, and sharp your pencil and then write down and repeat again and again letter. It means you will learn the letter. Okay, capital Q, small q, capital Q, small q. Q for queen, Q for squirrel, Q for quilt, Q for q, capital Q, small q, capital Q, small q, capital Q, small q. This is capital Q, this is small q. You have to write down capital Q in between three lines. Okay, and small q also write down in between three lines. How you will write capital Q? How you will write? First write down capital O like this. Okay, then in between blue line you have to draw right slanting line. Okay, so this is capital Q. Now small q, left curve, then first number blue line to bottom pink line, draw a slanting line. Okay, from bottom pink line to second number blue line you have to draw left slanting line. So this is small q. Okay, student, like this you have to write down capital Q and small q. Writing should be properly. Write down very properly. Revise again and again letter. Which letter is this? Capital and small letter Q. Okay, so you have to write down two page, one page here, another page here, and click the photo and revise number again and again and send on the group. Okay, we will meet next video. Till then, bye bye, student.